Hello and welcome to WordPress Training with Bill Biko. I am Bill Biko and today is an exciting video as we are going to go through your first post. So when you're doing your first post, a couple of little key things to know or to learn is that it's often quite a bit easier to do your first post within a word processor separately from WordPress itself. It is a little bit easier to edit. People are more familiar with the word processor that they commonly use, and a lot of the newer word processors also give you little features like grammar checking and just make it easier process entirely. So the only bad aspect of this is a lot of the word processors also carry some formatting over, but we'll show you how to remove that and make sure your post looks wonderful when you first add it in. So at this point, I'm just going to jump into the post section. We are on the dashboard right now, so hopefully you've logged in already. If you haven't logged in, take a moment to pause the video and do this. We walked through this in the previous video. So now that we're here, where we need to go is to the post section. So if we click on the posts here, we can do the drop down menu, and we've got posts where you can look at your previous posts that are already up there, but in our case, since we're adding a new post or our first post, we'll click on add new. And here we are on the add new post screen. So this is going to be one of your most familiar screens after a while, because this is where you add all your posts. So as we quickly look at it, we've got the title section here, and it reminds you to enter the title here. You've got some more option where you can upload here, and in this particular case, this is where you add images or videos or media, which in this case would be possibly music if you wanted to have some audio playing. And then you've got a general media as well. Across the line here, the little toolbar, we have simple tools, the bold, the italic, strike through. We've got ordered and unordered lists here. We've got blocking, we've got your alignment, just your typical tools that you need to make your posts and edit and make things look a little bit prettier. You've even got a little spell checker here. The important one that I want to show you right now is the show hide kitchen sink. So when we click on show hide kitchen sink, we get even more options. So some of the fun stuff along here is selecting text color, underlining, changing the paragraph size, or formatting so you can change it to different sizing. And a couple of other important ones at the end here. You've got undo and redo. So if you accidentally type something in or do something bad, you can just go back or go forward to check out how it looked. So now that we're at this point, let's do a quick little manual post, we'll call it. So in this case, I'm going to put the title in, which is just going to be quick post. And after we've got the title in, we can click down on the next section, and here's where we put in our post itself. So let's just type something really quick here. This is our first post. How exciting. As you can see, it's simple, easy, just like typing into a word processor. If there's something you want to do exciting, like perhaps bold the first section, it's just a matter of doing it just like that. And now you've got it bolded. You can change the color of the text if we wanted different colors in here. All pretty simple, easy to do. So that's basically how simple it is to start the first post. Next stage after this point is you've got the option to either save it or you can publish it. In this case, we're going to publish it right away. Clicked on the publish button. Now we're just loading it up. So the post has been loaded, and we can do a view post, which I'll do really quickly here. And there's our post. That's as exciting and as hard as it can be. What we'll do at this point, we'll back up here. And what I want to show you in this next quick stage is how to paste in a post that we've pre-done. So we will go back to add new, and in this case, I've already got a post that I've created within a word processor. And it is right over here, and I've got a title, so I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to zip back over here to the add new post section, and I'm going to paste. So I've pasted it in. I'm just using keyboard commands to do this. You can use this with mouse clicks or however you prefer to do it. I'm zipping back over here. I'm grabbing all my text, and this is where you have a couple of options. Once again, you copy your text. As we zip back over to the WordPress blog, you have an option to paste as plain text, and you have an option to paste from Word. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes some of the formatting carries over from Word and other processors. So if you want to strip out the formatting, it's easiest to do paste as plain text by clicking on the box, pops up, and in this case I'm going to paste the text that I've previously copied right in. Fills in everywhere. We insert, and we can look through here, and we've got all our text in here. And once again, that's how simple this can be. If you're using word processors such as Word, Microsoft Word, make sure you use this. You can try it as plain text, but this commonly works better. And it's just a little experimentation to see how well it works. So next stage, we are going to publish. And this will take a moment. So we are now officially published. We can go up to View Post to see how it looks. And here is our interesting posts and interesting times. So that is as simple as it can be to get your post done. There are a few more items on the page here we can go look at a little bit later. But this will get you up and running and get that first post up and get you started. Hope you enjoyed this, and look forward to having you attend some of our next sessions. Have a great day.